cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree. My last video, I did a big decor haul from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, and At Home. And all of those ornaments went on my Christmas tree today. Everything turned out so beautiful. Actually, a lot of the ornaments that I used last year from Kirklands did not go on the tree. I still used some of the champagne colors, but some of the darker brownish golds I did not use. Because as you know, I was going for a more white Christmas luxe feel. So that is what we did today. Put on your fuzzy socks, grab a blanket, put on your Christmas music, make yourself a little hot tea or a cocoa. Let's jump right into it. And if you have any questions about what I used or the products, I will try to link everything down below. And I hope this gives you Christmas inspiration and all the good snow vibes, Christmas vibes.
Is it ever since July? I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Using the white boas, I'm going to start filling my Christmas tree. This really makes it look full and fluffy and really gives it that white theme that I'm going for. Now it's time to put on the ornaments that I purchased from At Home. I'm starting out with the really big white ones, and I'm popping on 3 of these, usually around the bottom of the tree, just because you want to kind of keep the bigger bulbs on the bottom and work your way up to the smaller ones.
Yeah, I spend my time running around.
I love all of these statement pieces I'm about to show you. The champagne ones that you're going to see throughout the video, these all came from Kirklands that I've used the past couple of years on my Christmas tree. I don't think that they still have any of these in stock, but if they do, I will try to link it down below. So most of the ornaments that you're going to see are coming from Kirklands until we get to the end of the video, which is going to be the rest of the At Home.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
nice to have a lot of little bulbs like this that you can just fill the tree with. I purchased these last year, the champagne color, and then this year I purchased a lot of the white ones. So these are going to be used to fill up any bald spots in the tree and really give it that nice glittery look.
It's cold outside.
These snowflakes are so adorable. They're really big, so they're going to be good at covering any bald spots on the tree. You could actually even use one of these for a tree topper, and again, it's going to give you that really nice look.
Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around.
Now it's time for the dollar store ornaments. I'm still so blown away that I found these ornaments at the dollar store. So the white snowflakes and the white crosses did come from the dollar store for $1 that I will link down below. And since this video has been posted, I've had guests over at my house that have actually seen the ornaments on the tree, and they've asked where they came from. And of course, everyone was so excited whenever I told them the dollar store. My deer obsession continues. So this one actually came from Kirklands that I've had on my tree the past couple of years, and all of the white and clear ones came from Walmart. I think it looks so nice to have texture on a Christmas tree. So here I'm taking the white deer antlers, placing them in the sides of the tree, and next I have the white berries that I will be placing around the tree as well. And this really gives your tree extra texture. This is my favorite part of putting up a Christmas tree. I bought these white sprays at home, and I'm placing these in different places on the actual tree.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
You can never have too many sprays on a Christmas tree, or so I say. So these came from At Home that you can see in my video that I posted of my decor haul. So some of these I'm going to pop into the tree, and then you'll see me climbing the ladder, which you should not do at home. I do not encourage this. Make sure you always have someone there with you. And I'm placing the rest of these on top of the tree.
My house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me.
The tree is complete, and this is going to be my faux fur tree skirt. I actually made this a couple of years ago. If you're interested in me making a video on how I did this and what fabrics and stuff I use, then just comment down below and let me know that you want me to do a video on it. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and like down below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I post another video. So that is the final product of decorating my Christmas tree with me 2018. So I hope to see you guys again next year. I'm going to try to come out with a lot of different Christmas videos or give you guys ideas for stocking stuffers or presents. Anything Christmas I'm going to try to do videos of before we get to Christmas. So hopefully I have time. Anything you'd like to see, or if you want me to make a video of, just comment down below and let me know. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes